Hi, Nigel. So yeah, hey there. Just had to run to get some water. Pierwszy scene after scene. The scene air. Yeah, hi Penguin. Um, where's off? Anyway, so yeah, right. Haven't streamed for a bit again. I really need to get my schedule to look like something a little more usable. I don't know. So it's also a late stream. It's like it's weekend, but I'm so late. 5 p.m. 5:30 in fact. So it's gonna be a short stream probably. But I just wanted to stream because I'm not gonna stream for a bit again. Well, I'm not gonna be able to stream tomorrow. At least that's I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna have a 10-hour workday. I'm gonna be doing a job of another person. Well, kind of. Anyway. So yeah, right. I updated the to-do list a little bit. Why can't I use my mouse again? So yeah, we have now the new to-do items. Wait, value flashing. Value flashing is gonna be here. So yeah, right. We do cargo run. Wait, no, cargo run doesn't work. We do test SH. Haven't cargo ran in a while. Yeah, right. All those errors are from the frontend not working, from the frontend not being ported to the new APIs, which is gonna be hard. And by the way, I learned to use Control R. I used Control R to find this command, and yeah, I also spent a lot of time on Nix. If we take a look at my walk of time, just like oh, I need to log in. Understand your AI code. No, I'm not using AI. Or at least not as much. Your controller is not that advanced. It's not a haircut actually true. It's not a Xonge thing, it's FZF plugin. Just FZF. So you control R and it's FZF. FZF for the thing. So yeah, how do I log in? Dashboard. Here we go. 12 hours, actually, history into FZF. Well, not only history into FZF, but it's also, if I press enter, it also like pops up. It's just, well, I am using Xonge. Xonge, let's see. Well, it's really Xonge. Anyway, so I'm using the, I'm using the FZF completions Xon trip, which is a Xonge package. It's just FZF, not very fancy. You can't just do it with a pipe. you need some, well, basically it is just pipe. It's Python code. Because it's Xonge. I don't think there is lang Xonge. Yeah, there is no lang. Actually, SSH maybe? Yeah. So yeah. You can't just do it with a pipe, but you can do it, well, it's actually history into FZF. Yeah, no, not quite. Like this thing, wait, this thing is a little nicer. And yeah, it's also like you need to insert the placing it. Yeah, like this is just full screen, and it's also orders, and also history doesn't work. Wait, what? History doesn't persist. This is much bigger history. Anyway, so right, let's get to work. Actually, hold on. Yeah, I wanted to I wanted to address this. Oh my god, I spent a little bit of I so 12 hours, which is pretty surprising. And oh my god, actually no, it's not surprising. That's little. And oh my god, that I spent so much time in Nix. I've been writing a little Nix thing. I've been writing it for a little more than I'd like to admit. 3 stream streak, let's go! History all true. No, history is not a Python function. Because Python functions don't work like that. Anyway, so I wanted to just quickly dot files. This is gonna be on my GitHub soon when I finish it. So I've been writing this a little Nix. A little Nix. So yeah, anyway, actually, let's get to work. So we go into Rust front, well, Rust C lib, I guess. Is fast. You'd consider using it as backend. Well, orco is not a backend; it's just an interface. It's gonna be fast. I am gonna implement a backend for it, like a not. I would not consider it a default, just a backend. I'm gonna implement Crane for it. Crane lift, I meant. And I am gonna implement a custom backend, which is gonna be relatively simple, and it's gonna be fast. Translation to C should be fast. Although, my code, which is concatenating strings left and right, is probably horrible. I should probably find something a little better for that. I should probably like fix it. I don't know. Anyway, what is that? Inlining. Oh right, that's others. Others are also like experimental. Actually, let me go to readme. I mean, during this step we'll probably get more others implemented. So function. Oh, it's just. Oh wait, right, it's in Cogent. Rusty Cogent. So we have two things. We have this and we have operand, which relied on the fact that Orco used to have the same Cogent scheme. Well, the same similar Cogent structure as Rust C itself. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so what do we have here? Cogent statement. Actually, where's the entry point? Body and Cogent. Cogent auto functions. It shouldn't change, right? So just body, which takes Cogent, which takes moves Cogent, in fact. Yeah, that looks so correct. So we create Cogent context, which is yeah, just that thing, which it's just a bunch of arguments to pass around. So type context Cogent body variables, which is a vector of variables, which is, wait, why do we have that? Wait, why do we have that? Locals. What does variables push? Why do we have variables like that? What? Why? Oh, because those are numbered. Like ideally it would have this number anyway. This is so silly. Anyway, so locals, then it's an argument. Otherwise, so yeah, it's just a mapping from index to variable, which is probably gonna be just one-to-one in reality. So if I could make sure this is ordered correctly, Var. Maybe I should write up like a thing here. What would it be? Guarantees that variable returned contains an index, increasing index. And variable of the return variable is the number of declared. Oh, it's just either counter. The backend must guarantee that variable indices variable zero are based in order of declaration. Where's the music? Come on. Oh, this thing broke again. Like, why is Q broken? What did I just press? Anyway, including arguments, and then I can get rid of argvar and go to cgen codegen. So just variable index. Why is it? What? Oh. That's weird. Anyway. So the backend must guarantee that variable indices are zero-based in order of declaration, including arguments, including function parameters. This thing is so long. I can manage music manually. Anyway, so yeah, right. Now I don't need that. I don't need that as long as I'm careful. As long as I'm careful. So if index is greater than 0 and index -1 is less than argument, what? That's helix. Oh yeah, it's called helix. Kinda like Vim, but it's helix. So why is it like that? Honestly, I don't like this. Okay, maybe I roll back. Maybe I keep that. Please. Yeah, a little annoying, but whatever. So we declare them all. Like, why is it greater than why? What is the argument number 0? What's up, Frostbite? Why is the what is this? What is so special about argument number 0? Shouldn't it be an argument? Well, a variable number 0. Shouldn't it be an argument? Huh. Well, I have it for a reason, I guess. Anyway, so context variables. Yeah, I guess keep that. Now actual codegen. Actual codegen Spain. So we just codegen blocks in reverse post order. Do I really need to use reverse post order? I mean, I guess. So yeah, ACF. Ooh. So yeah, we alloc labels and then we label. And music is obviously dead again. Like, why? M3U. Yeah. Yeah, so that doesn't work anymore. So we also need labels. Those are in order, right? Local decals. It's just an index vec. Oh, first local is the return value pointer, right? Followed by arc count locals for the function arguments, followed by any user declared variables and temporaries. Right. So that. Is it ordered though? Ideally, I'd have a hash map there. Just a hash map, or I'm like C++ is also. It's also just there telling me to write an ordered map instead. Come on. I need vanilla, right? Yeah, I need just a regular hash map. So variables, and we have labels. A little bit annoying, but whatever. So that's hash map. Those are hash maps now. Now, how do we convert them? Label and index in here. Well, this is an index vec. Local is an index type, right? Oops. Yeah. So IDX. Oh, it is an index. It's just local.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Davninia. This is just local, and this is just a basic block. What is the index type? Basic block. Yeah, it's just basic block. Basic block. Now I need to qualify, I guess, like that. Good. Now if we go back here, so cogent block will create a block. Actually, ideally I should create all blocks ahead of time. So insert idx var. Okay, so I need integer index. Eh, I know it's ugly. Just inline that. Yeah, that's better, I guess. Actually, can I do a range? 0. So it's actually from 1 to body arc count plus 1. So that's a range. Can I do contains contains index? Would that be? Is that less ugly? Is that less ugly? I don't know. Is that any better? Also, music died again. Like, what's the point of using code at this point? Let's just enable this. It's playing? Yeah, it's playing. 12 hours of non-copyright Twitch free, Twitch save music. Yeah, right. So yeah, variables, hash map. Is there with capacity? Is there anything like that? There is with capacity. And then labels, same thing, but for body, basic blocks, length. And now I'm going through all basic blocks. Body basic blocks. No, order doesn't really matter. Index and enumerated. Right. So that's index block. We're gonna do context labels, insert index and exclusion. Oh, come on. ACF as well. Label, a lock label. A lock label. Oh yeah. Actually, can I just do indices? I can do indices. I don't really have to worry about that. So yeah, that. Now, in here, so we place a label from the block. So labels block. Then expected reference, sure. Then we go take the block. Then cardinal statements, and then we have terminators. Switch int. Right. Cogent for this is gonna be annoying. I guess I'm just gonna comment it out. Return should be fine. Value option value. So variable 0. Am I adding the variable 0? Created local. May actually. Why is it variable 0? I don't have variable 0. Because I need to declare it separately. Oh wait, I am declaring it. Right. So this is gonna be self variables. I don't know how to body local decals first. How do you get the first local? Which must be tuple as getting past its individual components at the LLVM level. No LLVM today. Debug info required constants. Vars and temps iter. User defined stuff. I mean, honestly, this could be valid. I could actually use that. Set skip local kind. I need to get the return local. I don't think there is a function to do that though. I guess I can just... Oh wait, there is return place. So you can just do... Wait, return place is just a local. It's just an index. Can I just do that? Yeah, I can. So, right. That is a variable, and now instead of operands we have expressions, or actually it's self gen read or something. Read place value, and this is variable. I think I can just do into here. Into. I'm pretty sure I implemented that. A bit of a mess, sure. Oh, it's an option. Oh, I need to sum it. Well, sum if and only if this is not a unit variable. Oh, do I have support for that? Clear bar. If it's not an empty struct, so it's like a lot of annoying implementation stuff that are like you have empty variable. Probably should go to the front end instead, because that's like an issue on Rust side. Algebraic effect system is an issue. Wait, algebraic type system I meant. Algebraic types. So maybe we move it here. Although that would be incredibly annoying to work with. So like all variables are options. Are actually options. I mean, actually, no. Actually would make sense, probably. I mean, empty tuple is just an empty struct, isn't it? I wanna get this to compile at least. Right, borrows that. No, Terminator call. So this is just function is an operand. I need a wait. I don't have the call. I don't have call implemented. Oh. Now it's angry again. Alright. Like, this part is actually annoying. Value equals this. Return. Yeah, by the way, what? Unwind and replace and stuff. So yeah, ideally this would be optional, because some of the locals are unit types. Now if how do we check? There is a unit. Does it apply to? No, it doesn't apply to unit structs. Well, I think. Else if it's not a unit, then I just do that. Else not. Some none at the end. Next. What's this? Oh, is it? Hold on, that's good. Okay, so here we have variables, a map. So if this variable is sums, then I'm actually gonna self-code-generate it var self-code-generate var into and now it's just value, which is optional. Next we have, well, yeah, that's about it for this part. Now call and switch int. I'm gonna write who do want here. I'm gonna write to do here. Urgent statement. So for statements, what's the comment outcast? Oh, because others are to do. So use It's just operand. I have a place and I have an operand. I actually have places. We actually have places in orco. Chicken. Oh hi. Smash. Smelly orc. Is that how you pronounce your name? Variables. So do we return optional here? Yeah, we didn't get too close. So yeah, we do return option here. So this is a place. This local reference. We take a variable. Then we go through projections. It's deref. We just deref. We deref a read. So we need self. What is it? Codegen. It's not codegen. What is it? Is it context? That's wrong. It is codegen. Codegen read. I guess it's function. It was auto-completing for functions. Now for field, same thing. We read it. And well, yeah, that's about it. Actually, field. We're playing with Haskell lately. Playing around with Haskell. I remember playing around with Haskell myself. That was something. Place. Place is small, so boxing here would be is a little annoying, but yeah, that's more accurate because we're accessing a field of a place. Stack works so much better than Cable or Cobble. Oh, if Nigel just hears how I'm trying to pronounce this, this is gonna kill me. I remember issues with that. So yeah, Stack works much better. Haven't I used both of them somehow? Nigel's here. Hopefully you didn't hear me trying to pronounce this word again. I mean, one of them must have been the correct one, right? Anyway, so res, just to play the box that. It's like, it makes more sense because you. So variable is obvious, global is obvious. Deref, you dereference a value, and for field, you need the original address, right? So that makes more sense. Now, index, constant index, slices, casts. Oh, scary words. So yes, sum of that. So yeah, right, and here, find an immutable reference. Immutable. Now Davnina permanently has Penguin's slang name in his username, huh? Oh, you're right. That's a suffix soon. So yeah, right. Place. So use place, we just place alright, an option. If let's sum place equals place, we assign place, well, the other way around, place. So if the value if the variable we're trying to store it into is a unit variable, we don't. By the way, bringing back comment would be nice. If I just go to CodeGen. Where is it? If I comment self, mutable self, string, leave a comment, main for source to source seconds. And if I go to cgen, because that's a useful function, you know. CodeGen. If I just put fn comment self comment third. That's how I call the variable. Yep. Default implementation does nothing. Actually, let underscore equals. I want the name of the variable to be okay. So if there is a comment, we just do self statement format slash comment. Yeah, like see, wasting memory, wasting time, wasting everything on this when I could have just like format into, oh, not like that, but you can format into, you can write. If you have a write, then you can do format into and stuff. I don't have a write, no, unless I use strings. But like STMT, problem is it goes through new lines and indents everyone. And like that's the point, that if you have a multi-line statement, it's gonna indent everything. And also, actually, I should do the same for comments. Actually, I shouldn't have multi-line statements, should you? Yeah, that makes no sense. Line comments, put line, self-statement, line. Wait, statement this. Format line. If I get rid of this loop and rename this to line, what's the pattern matching? Yeah. Line. Yeah, should be optimized. I should optimize it to use like writes to make string writable. I mean push stir. Well, yeah, I should really make it writable instead. But I don't know. It kind of feels annoying. If I had a macro, actually no. Actually, if I can't I just like change this to write ln into, well, it's gonna be self code or something mutable, but instead of that I'm gonna do self indent head, and then I'm just gonna do / line a little longer, or self line. Indent and return use reference to code used for write ln self line code. So like that, it's gonna return them utref to body, so to string, which requires a trait, but like who cares? Requires to import a trait, but like who cares? So I can just do that. Cannot write now. Why wouldn't you let me like input it? Why is there no option? Do you really think I remember what it's called? I think it's something that your right. So like by default string, or is it? Yeah, no, it's not. Well, let me Google it. Rust write into string. I don't remember the trait. Still, you're right. Buffer writer, excuse me. No. You can't write to a string. Huh? What? What do you mean? I have a cursor. Oh, it's FMT write. Right, that makes more sense. std fmt write. And s underscore. Now, so that makes it possible to do stuff like this, which is nicer. Which is like nicer to memory. So name right line self line. So that's the format. What did I just do? Okay. It's just an FMT type and an extra parenthesis. Oops. And also this thing returns a ref, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait, a result, I'm pretty sure, which is also annoying. Yeah, it returns a result. Let me create a macro. Or do an unwrap, actually. Unwrap. We're gonna see just a ton of unwraps here. I wish I could create a function for that, but like I can't. Actually, I can create a function if I use format args. but like I don't want cons format args. Yeah, format args is long, but I could do like self-line format args, and then it's much nicer and makes much more sense. Actually, yeah, I'll probably do that instead. So that's arguments lifetime. Add a line to the source code. Arguments underscore, so that's std from t. Self indents and write ln into self body mutable ref. Actually, how do you write? Actually, how do you do this? And then unwrap it. Unwrap. I'd like to have single unwrap instead of many unwraps. Yeah, move that here. Now it's like you can't really do that. But honestly, I don't remember how you would do that. And oh my god, it's packed. Right? How do you write arguments? How do you use std from t arguments? Estimated capacity from stir. Right stir. Oh, there's a display. There's a display for it. Right, FMT buff self. I can just do std FMT write into the buffer args. Can't I? Yeah, good. Now, oh, and I don't need that. That's surprising. So yeah, now I can use line instead here, like that, with format args. So that's pretty much the same as I've been doing it before, but instead of format we use format args, right? And remove the reference. Format args. Format args. Self-line. Yeah, that stuff. Format args is getting a little more annoying, but like, it's little cost. Even Rust doesn't. Right, language design. Well, okay, so I changed that a bit. I'm doing like a bunch of stuff except for what I was actually set out to do. So use a simple aggregate. Oh, actually, yeah, right. Codegen. You try by command rather than faster than a human. You should get those support. Huh? I mean, agree. Cgen, codegen. like I actually wanted to get rid of some stuff in here as well, and also, oh wow, oh wow, right, get rid of that. Something very pedantic. Backends, front ends. Yeah, right. I wanted to get rid of the codegen old directory. That's it. And I want to get rid of unit variable support from backends, because that should be on the front end. And look how simple it is on the front end. It's just that. And C backend is already full with interning stuff. Anyway, aggregate, array, to do on arrays, tuple, or index OP in fields that are enumerated. So we get all operators, operands. Yeah, you have to do that. And then we assign our place. Oh right, yeah, that's assignment. That's how we aggregate. That's how we aggregate. So operand is a value in orco. So copy, place, copy and move are the same. Should be the same for the backend mostly, except for like move constructors and stuff, which would be like C++ stuff. So self code generate self place. Oh right, and this is optional. It might return a unit. Wait, that's wrong. That be like that. Now it's angry. Mismatch types, expected option of value, phone struct value. Right. So it's gonna be sum. By default, it's sum. Otherwise, just question mark. Question mark your way out. Why is it angry? Sum of match. Is match closing the limiter? What? Oh, because this should be here. Right. So that was that. Constant. Oof. Type. Unevaluated. Value. Value type. Const underscore. What's const operand has a const underscore? Oh, it has a user type and span. So yeah, right. Get value in type for type constants, type system constants. I am yet to do that. I am yet to implement that, but we have that planned. Next, wet break. Wet break's coming. Chars and bool scalar int. Oh, yes, that's in to do. Because yeah, who knows how bools and chars are structured. Type of the if it's a floating point, then we just do a float const, so it will be self codegen f const, which replaces by functions. So this is I const, and this is a u const. I can just do that. Oh wait, no I can't. Never mind. Oh, that's perfect. and zero size types. Oh, we also have pointers. Actually, like, what is this? A pointer. Like a constant, a pointer. How a pointer is a constant? Whatever. Zero size constant, even scarier. So function def is easy, which is just a place. So self can read global of convert path. Wait. Wait, no. Oh wait, no, it's fine because we have the value here, 100%. At start, yeah, I know. Covino's live, by the way. Was first. Actually, might click first. First is probably claimed already. Rusty middle. So ADT. ADT is a unit. So we declare a variable. Oh, it's actually not a unit. It's actually a unit type, which I declare a variable for, and then I read it. They don't have aggregation, but it's okay because the variable is empty anyway. Self code gen read. Declare var a question. No. Wait, what? Oh, right. So we declare an extra variable and we just read it. Actually, there should be make temp. Oh wait, make temp is a with assignment, right? I don't even remember. Make temp. Yeah, make temp is just a value. Value into variable. I need a type into value. Or I need variable into read or something. So yeah, we just declare variable. Can it just inline this? Or is it gonna be angry? Expected place found variable. Oh, into. No, it's fine, which is surprising because I thought it would be mutable. It is mutable mess. Of course. No, it's just mutable mess. Exists honestly incredibly annoying. But yeah, anyway. Here. Oh, I knew it's gonna be this here as well. Well, I'm just merging them. I'm just gonna merge them. Place equals this. Place. Just read the place. And that's it. Now, that's for operand. Next we have, well, we're working on aggregates, which is add break add break done. So codegen assign. I don't know. Yeah. So we go through operands value. We assign them to places. Say order. Self place. Honestly, surprising that it would work. Probably wouldn't. So operand to operand. Alright, question mark. Wait, no. Wait, what? That doesn't work like that. Place is also optional. Project. So we project deeper. I guess would be useful to make it a closure that like question marks out. So all assigns. It's just assigns that are annoying. This way. So I am just skipping unit fields. Place equals this. No, I am pretty sure all side effects are actually like, oh, not here. So I don't think you can have an op with a side effect, an operand with a side effect. Generics. So yeah, maybe I don't have to evaluate them place op, and just a place op. Like that. And now it's messed up here. It's stop. So place is just project deeper. So that was place and this is fields. Wait, what? This was tuple and this is like a struct. That's what I meant. Which are like almost identical. So we just get ADT, we just get a variant. And then we iterate through fields. Wait, where did we get fields from here? Wait, aggregate field. Why are those different? Like this has generics and this doesn't. Oh, it's type of field. Wait, what? Yeah, it's type of field. Type of field that is different. I mean, I guess that would easy to fix, but no. Also rename this to value. Place value. So we project place first and place value here, and also same thing here. So that was that. Now binary operand is just a call. Which to do. And yeah, so it seems it should compile, I think. No. I don't know if it's gonna work at all. But I mean, it should do something. Right. Okay, so generics don't have any code. Expressions or what? Samples. We have primitives and we have expressions. Let's run expressions and then we'll run primitives, but I need to comment out the array. Oh right, it doesn't define. Just see backend. So that is code and create. Right, that's just this line is missing. So now it should generate the code. And it crashes. Obviously. Where is the panic? Impulse res, line 89. Oh, right. Arbitrary control flow. Of course. Orco seed. Then I need to implement it. I knew that's gonna happen. I need to add back the implementation. Impl C ACF code gen 4. Something like that. And I'm just gonna empty them for now. I mean, this can have OC label 0. And then, yeah, right. And then fn ACF self. So that's the implementation. Not yet implemented field access. 9151. Yeah. How is this field access already? Like where is field access here? I mean, I guess some generated code, but like whatever. So do we try to hack field access? I mean, I just need to get a type of place. So field access. Oh, it's in place. So place and index. I just need to get the type of it. Place equals self place. So recursion period that. And then we have place.type. Now I just need to get fields of that type, and I just append it. Yeah. So yeah, we do need parentheses here. I need a policy of how to add stuff. Yeah, actually, parentheses should be like this. Is this a place? Value should be. Actually, what? Yeah. I guess it's fine. I'm just gonna return format. So I need to find the struct. There was something. Line type aliases. I'm just gonna inline type aliases, please type. And now we need a struct, because anything else, integer, unsigned, float, bool, symbol should be inlined already, array, so all of those done already. Oh, I mean, all of those don't have fields, right? So pointer field, no, we do dereference and pointer. Oops. Function pointer field, even worse. Yeah, match, please type. So we have struct, we would return something, otherwise, why? Oops. to access field on a access field index field number index on a non-struct type ty. Now we have fields here. I just do fields index, and we have either a name, which if a field is unnamed, we're cooked. If a field is unnamed here, we're done. We're done. But I'm pretty sure it should name all fields as well. I'm pretty sure it had something to do that. It's like intern type here, which, by the way, replace unit gone type named boolean. Yeah. Into the trade definition declaration of intern type replace unit gone. If replace unit, then type equals this, otherwise return. Huh? If it's an unnamed struct, then I create a struct. Oh, it's like yeah, because I need to replace him. Like, but like, oh, what? Do you have something to like help a unit type? No, I'm not adding unit types. By the way, pointer to an error type is valid. Should be valid, I guess. As an void pointer, maybe. I don't know. So fields empty. Not processing that. Next. Fix that. So I need to figure out void. I need to figure out how I'm gonna do void, because return type. Void is return type. I guess a plain old option. Let's see, I'll quickly. So fields. Yeah, no, we don't have a naming. Explicit forced naming. Although we should probably do that. But I guess we're fields. Let's just let fields this. So fields just own that. Yeah, own type. Now I'm just gonna do fields index. So we have a type. Name type. That name equals name dot expect trying to access an unnamed field Unwrap or else like in a closure. An unnamed field number index on type place ty, I guess. So that is the name, and now we just return a variable info new format. So that's place. By the way, accessing fields on values would be impossible with that. I'm just now realizing. Unless a value is like a place. Hi. Yeah. 3194. Orco API will be stable by next Monday. Covino Live. I said that when you were on in ads. But next Monday, you're like, what? It's not gonna stabilize like that. In fact, it's not gonna stabilize unless people use it. Because like experimental things are an experiment, and if you're not conducting the experiment, you're not gonna see the result. You're not gonna know the result. But yeah, by the next Monday, theoretically. Yeah, I know. So yeah, theoretically, actually, like, maybe we could get it working again by next Monday. Because, like, there isn't much... Oh, let me see, read me. There isn't that much to... So, like, that's on Rust C and, like, other things. Constant expression side types are, I guess, a tough-ish thing. Dependency sorting. And yeah, dependency sorting, because without that you need... That's also kind of tough. And without that you can just look at the code and you're not gonna be able to run it. But other than that, it should be simple enough. Maybe if I stream like twice or 3 times a week. I'm assuming next Monday is not tomorrow, by the way. Because now it's not gonna be stable until tomorrow. Because this is a short stream and it's actually kind of getting longer and longer. But yeah, I wanna complete some stuff today. So yeah. Okay, place field. So I'm realizing, since place is not a value, it's gonna be annoying. So we have place field. We have I don't know. What was that? I guess I could introduce value fields separately, but like that's annoying. It's annoying. It's just that if you try to assign to a field, you want to have it as a place field, and if you're trying to read from a field, you want to have it as a value field. In case like a function returns a value and you're trying to read the field. Like that's not gonna be possible with this. I mean, you can just make temp and it becomes trivial, but so I guess it's fine. So yeah, since it's a field, it could be a deref though. Could be deref. Since it could be a deref, I need to do this. So place, or actually place dot dot expression place expression dot field name and then a type which we already got. No associated function or constant. What? What do you mean? Am I not using it here? Oh, it's value info. Yeah. Right. Now. Can move out. I don't need to move it out. Well, actually, no, I do. Fields dot remove. Can I take? Can I just take one? By the way, copying of types is bad. Like here, I could have it referenced. I guess I could have it as a reference. Yeah, I guess I could reference it instead. It's like if you have a struct with 1,000 fields, hypothetically. Okay, premature optimization. But like, what can I do? It's fine. And now I just do that. And like reason why I didn't want it to be like that, it actually doesn't. Yeah. It's also gonna be angry itself, isn't it? Oh, it's local variable symbol. Oh, then it's fine. Roll back, give it that. It's gonna be fine, right? Okay, so expect nothing, bound, unknown, with what? Oh. What? Wait, sort by... Oh, right, because I wanna take... How do I take? How do I replace a vector by its value? Like, I know I can remove, but I don't want to remove because it's... Wait, I can swap. I can swap, remove. I can swap, remove. Fields, change name type, and right, immutable here. No, unwrap or else. What's wrong with you? Huh? Borrow moved value, please type. Unnamed field index. I mean, I could clone it, but it's just debug messages. And I'm cloning types left and right anyway. But I'm cloning left and right anyway. Well, anyway. So get rid of that. Anything else about... Alright. A big change with function signatures then as well. Because return type can be optional. Algebraic systems. Then it's pretty simple to work with. Right. So it's conjun, and now if we go into cgen lib. Alright, generics also got hit by the removal of this argument. Let's replace unit. You don't have units anymore. If it's a unit, then it's a unit struct. And if it's a unit struct, then it's a... Well, then it's an empty tuple, and if it's an empty tuple, it's just a struct that's an empty tuple. Which, yeah, it's just an annoying internal struct, but like, whatever. So return type optional. Now it's optional. Incredibly simple. Let sum equals mute return type with an return type RT. And symbol function signatures, this is just optional. Function pointer as well. Return type is an option of a box, not a box of an option, that's important. Self return type clone map or something. Do we map and then clone? Or do we clone and then map? I mean, I don't think you can map and then clone. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, it will take okay, so that actually FMT function here, FMT type, so it's either, does FMT type care about macro context? I mean, it's so tempting that I could actually just like unwrap or type symbol void or something like that. Orco type symbol, yeah, void into, simple enough. So that now we get rid of this thing. Right. So that's a bit of a change. Remove that, remove that. Now we need to go to front end and patch that in here. Here it is. Type convert. This will return an option. Oh my god, that's so many changes. I mean, makes sense. It's just unit type. If v dot empty, none. Otherwise, some. Return none. I can just return none, and I can just wrap it in some, and this will return an optional type. Here, wait, yeah, right. And here, a pointer to unit type. Now, how do we process a pointer to an unknown type? I said it's gonna be a pointer to error type, but I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And also be used in a pointer to make it pointer, make it a pointer to anything. Unwrap or type error. So that's not an error, that's like a void pointer thingy. No, array of units. Like, who in their mind would make an array of unit types? How am I gonna do that? Units? Hi Coco. Why not meters? Because no meters. Neofox. Neofox. What the name? Plushie 11. I wonder what Plushie 11 is. Is it actually 11th? Funny Italian man, but green. New fox, new boy. Nigel. So Cuckoo has funny Italian man, and funny Italian man but green. But why we don't have a plushie for a funny Italian man but green? Which is supposed to be this but green. That ain't green, Nigel, fix it. We need to fix that. I will actually just go into configs and change Mario to Luigi if that happens. As in, like, replace it in ear flashes. I think Nigel left. Isn't doing something. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wonder why that happened. Tail of little fox. Might actually be my mouse. Might have been my mouse. Oops. Might have been my mouse, because yeah, mouse stuff is here. It's a little complicated here. So yeah, right. Set now returns an option. So we'll just hope array of units is not gonna be a thing. No, all types are home. No. Oh god. Oh god. New type. Let type. So first we do types, else continue. Let's sum type. Because we're just gonna skip them. So there's that, and here the foreign function is exactly the same, pretty much. So we convert type. Perhaps push. Before pushing, we just do y. And here, struct. We're gonna skip them. Filter map. So that's name. So we're gonna do some of this. This is gonna be question marked. Is none or a digit? What? If a field starts with a digit, we ignore it? Why? We make it unnamed. Why? Like what? Well, anyway. Actually, can I just do y here and let y equals this? I mean, actually, it makes it less understandable. So yeah, move that. And where do we have name and then type? Name and well, here it's just type. Yeah, now I think that is majority of it. Although C probably needs a few more changes because of this function. So samples in Cogent, probably yeah, right here. So let's sum type, otherwise continue. Actually, type.map. Lurk and lurk. Nigel, did you hear our conversation about funny Italian man but green? No. We need funny Italian man, but green to actually be green. For type of unit, we bar it to none. Yeah. This fox is now a cat. It's totally new cat. Luigi Jose won't be asked to make all Luigi. Then Wario. Then Peach. Yeah, right. That part is just implied, left implied. Then Donkey Kong. Actually, that's a good point. Does Donkey Kong actually have a movie? Because, like, if so, then we need a movie. We need to add them to a movie group. We would. Although I'm pretty sure no. Pretty sure he was just only in Mario movie. You are like big corporations adding new after everything. Well, before everything then. As a prefix. Anyway. So yeah, right. I changed to the word type. Should be fine. No hashable name for an option. Resource types rest line 79. Go types 79. Return type hashable name. Oh, what? Oh, right. Map war. So it's gonna be type hashable name. Void. Oh. Then Kirby, then Yoshi. Oops, I quit. Before everything, yeah. What is this? What is this emote? Okay, I don't even know who's this is. Like, actually. But, like, hey. It's you who asking everyone. Lanky Kong? Yeah, I don't know. It's you who suggested all that. I mean, yeah. I don't know. Like, you asked that. You're asking to all those characters. You know about all those characters from the internet. Oh, by the way, Nigel, I have an even better idea. Not only you need to make all those characters, you also need to make all Pokemon. All of them. From all generations, from all games combined. We already have Pikachu, so you're like already like thousands of a percent done. Yeah. Yeah, you can. By the way, I was going to make an API that generates plushies dynamically at runtime. That is that would be used to allow a person to use their code bad cop fish as plushies. So like yeah, that would have been cool, but I never like got around to implementing it. So like cop.fish, it would dynamically. Okay, charge I want my plushie to resemble a fox. So it would dynamically scrape this website, and like if somebody types bang plushie, it would fetch all of the plush, it would fetch fish decks of a person. If so, for example, if Bedcop does bank plush, it would fetch a fish dex, search for a fish in here, download an image, unless caught. What is this? So it would download an image from that and use it. That's Bedcop's fish site. You know how on Bedcop's stream you can do bank fish? Well, you used to be able to do bank fish, now it's a separate thingy which looks like that. Which, why did they open it? Because I've been annoying with floating point window, floating point with floating windows. So yeah, that's Bedcop's fishing website. So yeah, I was thinking to do like a thing that scrapes this, and you would have had all plushes caught. Like you would have had all of those fish caught already, as since they would be in your team, kinda. But that's like a bit complicated to implement. Maybe at some point I will do this. But that would be like a great integration. I'd love to do this, honestly. But yeah, I know. And like for Pokemon, you can also, like Nigel, oh, lurk. Yeah. So what was I doing? Let's round that. Oh, right. What a function type to string what cannot be formatted. Oh, because I messed up the order. Right. I messed up the order of parameters. So it's first the default value and then the function. Waiting for package cache lock, because LSP is doing its work. LSP is doing its job. LSP is working hard. Function is a method that lives in a file. Method is a function that lives in an object. Makes sense, actually. Okay, so why is it angry? Oh, right. So here's something wrong. So this returns... This is expected to be a box, but it's not a box. As ref should fix it, I think. Yeah. Oh, actually it's fine. Method function has an incompatible type for trade, backend, so cgen backend line 96. This is optional. It wasn't supposed to make sense. Well, I know. Kinda not. Didn't I just do this? Didn't I just do this? Didn't I literally just do the exact same thing that I'm doing right now? Like, why is it not done? I mean, it might have been copied from somewhere else, but still. So confusing. Return types rest line 18. This one. Function pointer, I write fmt type, return type. So yeah. Actually, could I fmt signature? Could I use the signature formatter? I don't even know where the signature lives. Probably in symbols. As in signature fmt. Yeah. sref wrap or this ref. What was this? Oh, that makes sense. There's that. And music is gone again. Or did I? Oh, I did mute. I did mute it for myself, accidentally. As I tend to do when I have a dedicated mute key. I don't know, it's been useful but more annoying. So yeah, what do we have here? Attributes, that. So I could use FMT function with an empty name in theory. Or even better, a non-empty name. Because it's type and then arglist. Right. FMT function. Macro context, name, signature. Enumerar. Actually, no, it's function pointer, so I can't really. I mean, function pointer could be a signature, could contain a signature, but it's orco type, so not really. Anyway, return type, I just copy it from here. Average scholars due to are in his past. Yeah, of course. And this should be reference. What's wrong? So what's wrong? Reference box. Found the reference of this. SDRef. Okay, good. This indentation looks hilarious a little bit. Okay, cannot move out. Pretty sure I changed that. It shouldn't work now. Those functions unimplemented are the only warnings. As in unused variables in them. Now, orco C types. Error type here somewhere. 51. So that now collect here. Do we do filter map instead? Deja vu. I've done exactly the same thing before. Type equals convert question mark sum of this with name type. Yeah, that's no, it should be operand line 84. Should be close to done. So it's zero sized. If this type is empty, then well, if this type is a unit, then well, we don't return a value. Return a unit value. Makes sense. It's an actual unit. So yeah, Rusty frontend has a bunch of unused variables, which I assume are all in. No panic again. Which I assume are all in CodeGen Model-rs. Yeah, that's good. Now, also unused variables, and in CodeGen, we crashed trying to access field number 0 on a non-struct symbol SU32 bool. Wait, where is the underscore? Why is there a space? Let's go generous. Wait, non-struct. It should have resolved. Wait, no, so Gen code gen. Hi Doninia. Welcome back. Yeah. That I'm about 135 for here. So it was 140 something. It was 150, 160 actually. No, wait, here. This 155. So trying to access that. Should have inlined. Not only it should have inlined. Where do we declare the struct? Intern. So in here, hashable name. Wait, where is the name escaping? Stylish. Top down. Hey, that's rude. Let's start soon. It's not Firefox. Cuckoo has a trick up their sleeve. Yeah, just type bank punch and it's gonna automatically substitute the name. This new cat. Trust or not? Sim name. Context. Get it next time. Yeah. Yeah, that's. Did you type just punch at one point? Yeah, Dvinia, you should have just punched a bunch of times. Yeah. Oh, fire. Ooh, this is a tough plushie. Wait, you're under level, Dvinia. And also you don't know how to deal with fire. Oh no. Well, you're done, I think. You burned. RIP. Yeah. A quick tip. There is a command. Oh, you can see it here. What level of Davninia even? I'm pretty sure it's 5 or 6. It's 6. So yeah, sim name. Level 6 weak. Level 25. And then John Nigel was coming in with his, what is it? Level 47 or something? Raid. Our raid is weak. Our raid is also missing. Oh no, I need to fix this. Wait. Oh, raid is not even doing anything. Wait, what? Is this because the defense is too large? Might be defense is too large. I probably need to fix raid. Let me real quick take a look at it. Raid wait, where is the raid script? Oh, it's move. Move is in plushie leap probably. Where am I? Oh, it's the wrong chat tree, but it's Raider GD. I know it's raid is a move in some plushy leap, I guess. Ads strong. Yang. Oh, Yang is level 15. Launch projectile. Weak Yang. Well, it's not that weak. Level 15 is not that bad, I'd say. Firefox is obviously stronger, but like... No, I'm gonna burn! Level 72 level advancement! He doesn't know. Ying is under fire. On fire, rather. Instance. Yeah. Still haven't fixed the rate, hold on. Fire, 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 fire! Sweet. He doesn't know. Oh no. Why are you so sad? You're like, there is just a command. Personally punch. We need a PvP command. Wait, what? As in, like, disable PvP? For a moment or what? You have many PvP commands. Yeah, Nigel, welcome back. So what was I saying? Oh, right. Nigel. Bangkok. No. Nigel, Bang PvP. So Nigel, you have you actually you have Pokemon, yeah. You have access to Chatter's source. Well, obviously, it's on GitHub. You can actually implement dynamic loading of plushies from different websites, as in fetch all the Pokemon database and create plushies based on that, and also like code it's well, you don't know GDScript, I guess, so it's gonna be a little tough, but like you can do this. I might actually do this at some point, but I'm a little too busy with that stuff. You written a game in Godot before? Wait, what? Nigel, you need for a quick second. Yeah. Well, it's fine, Lane. Duvninia wants revenge. For an IRL game jam. What? We call it position, position, impulse. Oh, get bone center. Okay, yeah. Victim to plush the instance. So that it can go into its nest. Yeah. Nah. Insert cat laughing game. Maybe I should give Dev something. Huh? Did you just... Did you just... Start being disappointed meme. Meme. Plushy 11. Slop. Hold on. Need to personally destroy this thing. Yeah, Davninia, you burned. Might not have been very obvious, but you burned. Name slope, copilot, colon slope. Oh no! Colons and names. Poor micro slope. So I need to personally destroy this thing. Wow. Ah. Too lazy. And also I switched depths. Anyway, so I wanted to real quick, where is the center thingy? Closest RB center, plushie.center. So instance, where is it? Center, and in here we'll do victim center. So next time I restart it, it's gonna be better. Get bone center position. So don't screen. So this. Center. It's just universally better. Midbone center position. Wait. So netbones here. Closest plushie. Center. Then 154. Team center and 154. Decline. Is that now? I'm gonna add this, commit this. Oh, I added some plushies. Fit center. Issues. Push. What? Let's see what. Let me read this. Michaelos. What? Getting distracted so easily. Yeah, that happens. No, I think you messed up because gift. Yeah, I think gift accepts. Yeah, gift accepts user first. Yeah, gift accepts the user first. Now that worked. Happy now. Noise. Okay. Yeah. That thing is gonna update. Oh, by the way, the Davninia is now on 15 plushes in Plushie Dex. Catching up! So yeah, next overlay restart, centers are gonna be fixed. Anyway, so what was I doing? Oh, whoa. Well, I don't know how that happened. Now, how do I fix the... Don't worry about it. It didn't go to anybody, it's just... Microsoft crashed as soon as it became alive. How classic. It's like, that's actually such a behavior. But yeah, I really need to fix this stuff. I actually don't know why it happens. Like, I actually fixed the regular blow up issue, it still broke. It's still broken. Anyway. So where's the symbol? It's in turn type. I need in turn type. Oops. Turn plushy slope. 4 squares on my screen. How dare you? How dare you put this thing on my screen? Or what can I raise? Fire went the other way. You'd like to have had a list of deaths. Well, you have chat log. I fixed it! Don't worry! After the overlay is gonna be restarted, so I assume I'm not gonna restart on this overlay. Center positions are gonna be tracked better, and projectiles are gonna be fired more accurately. Well, I have already a function that's tracking centers much better. Oh my lord! How did that happen? let's leave this out. So yeah, you also got the Foxy. Yeah. Fortunately or unfortunately, neither plushie got the experience for that. Cause you didn't attack it. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, right. I already had a function that's more accurate at looking at and at finding plushie positions. Only Davninia's brave. Only Davninia didn't flee. Wow. So I already had a function. You're scared of fire. Come on! It's one command and you're just done. And you're just like not on fire anymore. It's one command and you're fine. That's what I want to say. Foxy. So yeah, I had a function that's tracking plushie positions better, but I just didn't use it. So I fixed it. It's so obvious. You're just not procrastinating as some other fellows. As some other fellows. And you need a PvP command. As in, what a PvP command would do. PvP for you or something. I mean, I could make a command that would run scripts. Makes you invincible. But I already have a command that makes you invincible. It just isn't quite like what you want. To run neural net evil. So yeah, I was thinking about... No, it's not invincible. It's just not what you want. God. Actually, like, giving VIPs and moderators, because moderators can't have VIPs, so moderators are automatically considered VIPs. Giving... Bro, why is it destroying? Oh, here we go. Fox punched it before. Hive is function. Me. You have used yourself. We have you. We with function. God. God is not a thing. Invincible. Come on. Now. I don't want you want me. We already have me for you. PvP, fire, flee. To Too late. Oh, I did not document the function correctly. But yeah, it's pretty much that. Also, Lua is split up into two parts, so yeah. Too late. Yeah. Put out is not quite working like that. Yeah, it's like that. You need to provide the name. I'm pretty sure. Oh, actually, no, you don't. Wait, what? Did they change it? Yeah, I did change it somehow. And yeah, if you... Oh my lord, this chat log is just... Cuckoo gave up. So if you have high enough defense and you spam put out, fire's not gonna get you, because with high enough defense... was trying to find Foxy. So with high enough defense, fire's gonna spread slower. Although with high enough attack, fire's gonna be hotter and it's gonna spread faster, but like, yeah, anyway. So hashable name, so yeah, we need to symbol stuff here. Yourself. What? Sim name, symbol string. Yeah. Need to do that. Okay, that's good. Sim as a string. Wait, what? Wait, no. It should be orco symbol new. Actually, no, this is fine. S space hashable name. It is fine if I do that. What's happening? I'm not even looking at chat. Lua versus what? Lua versus Lua, what? Folks, if his function magically disappeared. Actually, by the way, bang me. As in Gang already defeated Davninia. Wait, what? What just happened? How? Oh, Yang already defeated because Yang was fired before. You could also make a bot which just spams the command in chat, into chat. Yeah, but like you're not invincible, and yeah. Oh, look, fire went the right way. Kinda. The jumps. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, why is everything flying? Wait, what? Why is everything... Wait, what? Hold on, what? Oh, wait. Let me just read chat. Punch, punch, punch. Defeated. What is happening? Everyone defeated and fled and everything. Fox is dead. Fox is not dead. Foxy fled. You need PvP command. So you want me to make your plush invincible? I don't know. Maybe I'll think about that. But what's the point if you can at any point make yourself invincible? Even if it's not gonna be, even if it's gonna be a plush that can't kill. Health persists? Yeah, it does. Hijacks. Just to go down. Two traumas, one from Punch having to have fun typing this Lamau, and other from Davninius. Just implement it. Don't think about that as needed. No, I can't just implement it. Can't. So yeah, health persists now if you flee and reappear. Jax no streams? Yeah, by the way, Jax, you're already gonna stream at any point. At some point, ever. Again. Also, how's your sleep? This was This was a blink. I mean, just don't flee, I guess. What happened? You're trying to punch. What? Wait, how is Foxy outside of the screen or something, or stuck above? What? Where's Foxy? No idea. Well, it blew up, right? It blew up. So busy with your job. Makes sense. Let me take a look at the chat log. It should have blew up, but it didn't. What did people do to hurt it? Anyway, 2.5 hours already. I wanna be done. So struct self-intern insert things seems okay. Self-type sim type. Right. So non-struct type symbol. Here we inline type aliases. And inline type aliases must return a non-symbol. If it's a type, if it's not a type, to a non-type symbol what's happening? I'm not even looking. I'm Foxy pronounce. Oh well. Okay, I'm not tracking chat. But like, doesn't it look fun? You're just jumping around. That's so funny. Punch. Давнение, where is Давнение? Like, or is Давнение? Wait, Давнение is Firefox? What? Nigel give up. Nigel. Realize Foxy is outside. I have no idea how you managed to get there. To be clear. I feel like Nigel is a little broken. Wait. Oh, Nigel is a lot broken. Yeah, Nigel's plush is broken too. I'm pretty sure. Wait, why is Fox stuck to the ceiling, Firefox? What? Heal. There is no heal command, revive. No, you need to die. Otherwise you're not gonna be able to do that. Like, actually, what the heck is happening? How did you break the system so much? It's like Kanye. Everyone breaks overlay with the first second. Like, it still panics, but now it should be more descriptive, hopefully. To palace to non-type symbol type. What do you mean? What do you mean type is not a type? Oh, actually, inline struct bool. If inline struct or it's not a struct. Um. Also, why is it recursive? Oh, because type might be a struct. Might not be a struct. Might be another. Okay, so now. Where are those errors? In diref, we try to... Yeah, we do inline structs. Actually, no, we don't inline structs. But in here we do inline structs. Where am I even using this? It's called something else. It is called something else. Team Nigel. Nigel is not in your team. That's not how it works. Okay, what's happening here? Run as Kuko team. Put out? Nah. I'm pretty sure Kuko's plushie is not there. Or actually, Kuko's plushie might be like up there, which it also spawns fire up there, and fire up there can't do anything. I have no idea how you managed to do this. Maybe I should like open the top and like you can fly out and fall back down. You know, that would be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. But like that doesn't fix the issue. Really. Okay, so what's the error here? On type C, trying to access an unnamed field 0. On type. What do you mean unnamed? What do you mean unnamed? It's a double struct. What is Firefox doing? Hanging from the ceiling, holding for its dear life. Every time you do bank team, it will ping Nigel. Oh my god. You can also add an ad here. Oh wow. You know you can add an ad there as well. I mean, it wouldn't change much, but still. So yeah, Nigel, are you gonna do... No! No! What did I do to you? Rename Nigel to Nigel. Did it work? It did work. Fox plus Kuko. Now you're pinging everyone. Oh. And this. Oh my god. Foxy fled. So yeah. What was I saying? I don't know. What was I going to say? Oh, anyway. Oh, right. Find out what happens if you do plushie. Nigel withdraw. Yeah. Nigel, are you gonna do our funny Italian man but green? But what does not kill you makes you stronger. Plushing Nigel. This is just... This is just something. By the way, Nigel, if you are gonna do Luigi, this is from Super Mario Bros. 3 All Stars version, I'm pretty sure. Nigel is fled. Foxy's outside. Foxy's broken, like insanely broken. I don't even know how to fix this. Like in Pokemon, you can use Poke Centers. Oh, Tylis. Wait, when did the... When did Tylis appear? How did I miss it? Nigel, when? That's what... Oh, when you did Plushie, Nigel? Oh, that makes sense. So yeah, what was I saying? Right. Luigi's from All Stars collection. You can, by the way, you can as well write a script that fetches every single sprite from Spriter's resource, or VG resource, or whatever this is called. And oh my god, what's gonna happen then? Like, and it's gonna fetch it and it's gonna add them as a plushes. You can also make it dynamic. Yeah, I wanted to say something, but I forgot. So fields are named on intern structs for some reason. Intern type struct on a tuple fields are named. Is there? If I do with a struct, where is it? Symbol, right? If I do a struct,
can you recheck, please?
I can't. It's too fast. Might as well write a command that brute forces every single website possible searching for PNGs now. But yeah, that's a little insane. Fair enough. So where is type? FMT type. FMT type. How does FMT type FMT structs? FMT struct is just a struct with fields of name. If name is the name, then we use the index. Unwrap or else format underscore IDF. Yours is also broken. Oh god, on the roof. Lua sent everyone to the Shadow Realm. You're all on the Nether roof. You can now. I don't know. You're stuck there. You don't have 10 obsidian and flint and steel. Now it's impossible to kill. Yeah, it's just not there. Yeah, I like. So yeah, what was I saying? In Pokemon, there are Poké Centers where you can heal your plushes, but here I have no idea how to implement this, like, balanced. Hey, I'm Dima, and on this channel I try to write resilient software which apparently fails. I mean, I guess fair. My goal is to write the best software on this planet. It crashes the moment it starts. It has no issues whatsoever. Can I restart? Yeah. Okay, I think it's fine if I do that. Bespoke. Handcrafted. Cresses in funny ways. I mean, fair. Meme software. Meme software is the best combination of words I heard today. Now you're back. Now you're healed. Okay, so now in order to heal, please no fighting. Okay. In order to heal, put out. You need to just drain his life. Please. Oh, the thing is, wants to. Well, it's the same. The same. What the same? Say what was it? Fire dev. Nah, come on. Now you're sideways. No rust. Nigel wants revenge. Can't help you. Plus for Golang or Python instead. What? Sorry for. Lane. What's happening? Yeah, right. So yeah, now instead of Nigel revenge, Nigel, rename this plushie to Revenge. Actually, I remember something like that happening already. So yeah, instead of oh, Lu's dancing now. It's happy. Vengeance. I don't even know what this means. I don't remember. So yeah, instead of Poke Centers, in order to BPS. What is BPS? In order to broken plushie syndrome. In order to restore your health, you now wait for the end of the stream, and on the next stream, you're back to full health. How nice, how convenient. Vengeance is defined as punishment inflicted or retribution exacted for an injury or wrong. What? Okay, it's oh my god, kind of makes sense. According to Oxford. Nigel, we need an Oxford plushie. Oh, Lua's bent. You're always sideways now. I mean, I can try to rotate you. Here. Now. Oh wow. Somebody forgot to new line. Right. By the way, that's the first time we see Cogen working. We don't have MIT plushie? Can you code now? Sure. Woohoo. Nigel, every missing plushie, just ask Nigel. I'm sorry. I guess I can do work as well. Oh! How? Oh! Was it cute? Oh, it might have been cute. It's like Fox appears. And then Nigel just flies towards it immediately. I mean, Nigel, come back! 2 hits. Oh, come on. Why? Why would you... Why would you destroy the Ninja? Fox girls are cute. What is this? Just James plan. Heal. Oh, I need a heal command. I do really need something to heal. When Nigel did it accidentally, protecting you. No. No reason to punch you. Accidentally. Like he used just bank punch. So many. Okay. I like when my chatters are active. Punch Fox girls. Punch Fox girl Nigel. Okay, so yeah, right. Where is the new lines that I missed? Line. Right. Self body push new line. Because I forgot. Make command to transfer some of your plushie's health to another plushie. Like, how would it work? Because yeah, you started using this command. So yeah, how would it work? Because health is directly coupled. I mean, actually, like, makes sense, you know? I mean, possible. So yeah, actually not quite. So yeah, health is directly coupled to how damaged the plushie is. But percentage times health. No, it's not quite as simple. So health is the number of health points is just number of nodes that are alive in a plushie multiplied by like defense stats and similar stuff. And so I can damage the plushie. I can. Whoa, whoa! Wait, what? Oh, wait, did you flee? Did you flee at some point? Or something? Yeah? Oh no! I know how to fix it. Damn. Oh my god, I am gonna need to fix this. See, what was I saying? Right, yeah, I can damage a plushie by removing parts of it, but I can't regrow them back to heal it. Unless, like, healing completely, in which case I try to remember the position, maybe, actually, I don't know. You know, that doesn't quite work out good. At force. Wait, no, it's... Wait, what? I don't know why it works like that. Did he mess up fire? Okay, so center is messed up. Oh, cause one tiny bone of a plushie just went up there into space. Anyway, so oof. This looks like Unreal C, but this is Real C. You know what? Like, actually. What did you do to that one part of Fox? Great question. What happened to that one part of Fox? So yeah, that equals 5, that equals. Oh, that's so confusing. That was expressions. Yeah, that's so confusing. It was the EI slope part, center shadow realm. You hate Mozilla. Agony. What is agony? Is it like a hate thing? What happened to Divninia? Fled. Fleet. Anyway, so yeah, where are we currently? Rust C frontend. So in Rust C, it's just a matter of finishing up some of the code in here. As in calls and and RCE, ACE for season. But I think I'm gonna push it out because I wanted the stream to be a short stream. It wasn't really. I mean, it's kind of short, 2 hours 45 minutes. Oh yeah, I'm leaving Nialang. How do I pronounce this? Nialang. Yeah, like that doesn't help with pronunciation. Hello World, chat server and client. Like, you have 2 demos, Hello World and a well, I was gonna say multiplayer, and a networking application. Server arrownet / connect. Why are you using slash instead of a dot? And arrows. How is this? What? What is this syntax? Work in progress. I mean, sure, but like, okay, you decided to use slash instead of a dot. How is an arrow? What is an arrow? Examples: 1 Hello World, 2 Fibonacci, and 3 browser. Yeah, that's how I felt seeing this. Technically typed, compiled programming language, yay. By the way, you can use orco for it. The backend. Okay, so commit Kugen fixes server net connect. Server error net connect is net/connect server. But like you had server passed anyway. But yeah, that's a nice functional like style of passing stuff. Anyway. And a arrow func is a func. Oh, so you're using this arrow to pass it as a reference. Oh, so that's that is as just value. What will arrow? Well, that's just pass as a value. So that is okay. So that's just syntactic sugar, which is basically. Oh, and you have slash. Oh my god. Oh, that's nice. No, a arrow func. Oh, that. Not valid. But that is actually so nice. Colon is def type, only type, define type as in define type. So yeah, let's rate something. Let's be ending. Because I did wanna make this stream shorter. Let me throw YouTube in here. He also has had this like comp time constant. Okay, so I wanted to check something out. Hold on. My chat log is not big enough. Arrow F of A, arrow F of B, F of A, B, gleam like. But arrow F is F of A, which is weird. Sure, true. It is weird. And honestly, I like Penguin's design better in this way. So yeah, I wanted to check. Wait, Kiwi, up to you. Go ahead. Is Kiwi live actually? Oh wait, he did go live, I remember. Okay, hold on, let me open the page first and let it load. So yeah, thank you for joining. I will no glitch. So yeah, thank you for joining. I will see you next time. Hopefully it's gonna be closer than in a week. I do really wanna work on orco more. I also have a bunch of cool things cooking up, and also Discord. Join my Discord if you haven't already. I'm gonna be posting stuff there. So yeah, see you later. Bye.